Okay, so today we're looking at Chainlink. So Chainlink is a Oracle cryptocurrency that wants to provide data to the smart contracts because these smart contracts can only do so much. Okay, so Chainlink is currently at $24.92. It's up 12%, and Chainlink did hit an all-time high today once again, which was about 4 hours ago. Chainlink got as high as $25.37, and Chainlink, man, Chainlink is just going crazy, going nuts. If you don't know what Chainlink is, just go to CoinGecko.com, check out the ticker symbol by typing in link. Well, that's one N, so link. Hit search. It's the number 7th ranked cryptocurrency and in the whole space of crypto. And then if you just scroll down, it just gives you information about what Chainlink is. If you just want to educate yourself a little bit more and watch this video as well, it will give you more of an explanation on how it works in video format. Just tell you some brief history about Chainlink, and it raised a total of $32 million during its ICO 2017. So Chainlink has some money to play with as far as developing and hopefully advancing their service. Okay, so that's Chainlink. So we go to tradingview.com. So if you don't have a tradingview.com account, go to TradingView. It's going to look like this. You don't have to pay anything, and it's free. And it's good for you to look at charts as well. It's going to help you get better at identifying, great entry points and just seeing the overall market of how your portfolio can perform if you pick the right cryptocurrencies or stocks, right? So all I got to do is type in LINK, which is the ticker symbol for a link. You got a crypto section, and then you're going to see USD. You can use USD, but I usually go off USDT because it just shows more data on the charts. So I'll just use USDT. Then it's going to say full feature chart. Click on that, and then voila, this is going to open up so you can see what is going on with Chainlink. And this is what we want to see. But as you can see, this doesn't look too great, right? You see these little dashes. So you're going to see that sometimes. So what you got to do is go to a different, just use a different one. So let's go with, let's try, I think we use BitBay. Let's try a different one. We use Coinbase. Coinbase is cool as well. So let's just go with, I like using Binance. So just go to Binance, and you can see it's a lot clearer on the chart. So if you run into that issue, just try a different one, okay? All right, so Chainlink. So this is what Chainlink looks on the charts. I am looking at the 4-hour time frame, but if I go back out, zoom out a little bit and go to the 1 day. So this is important, especially if you're like a swing trader and not a day trader. If you want to day trade cryptocurrencies, you're going to want to look at the a quicker time frame. So if you're a swing trader, it's always good to look at a longer time frame so you can identify what's going on with the asset you're looking at. In this case, it's Chainlink. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of all these lines so you guys can see what's going on with Chainlink and is there opportunity, right? Okay, so right now you guys can see Chainlink is definitely broke this resistance. Okay, so what is resistance? Resistance is just where a price hits a set price. Okay, so this is considered resistance. For example, Chainlink got as high as $19.24 back in August last year, and then it sold off, right? So this is considered resistance because it didn't break it and hold these levels, right? It broke down, and then as you can see, it touched support. Based on history, support was around $8.70, and then ever since then, since October all the way to the current year now, Chainlink just been going up in value. So that's resistance, right? So you got resistance when a price hits a point and gets rejected and comes down to some type of support level, meaning that this is a level where this cryptocurrency is more likely to return to. This isn't always the case, but just giving you an example. And that's considered resistance support. Okay, so as you can see, Chainlink definitely rose above resistance, broke this resistance point around $19.32 around the 15th of January, so a little bit earlier this month. It finally broke, and then it got as high as about what, $23, and then it broke down, and it seems like this might be new support around the $19 range, because before it went up and pulled down. But it's different because it went up, broke this resistance, then pulled down, and like I said earlier in my video, eventually, not always, right, resistance ends up becoming support. Okay, so we can assume based on the charts that this might be a support level for Chainlink, but it's still too early to see if that's the case. So if I go to the 4-hour, I'm just zoom in just a little bit because it's going to give me a little bit more data to see if this level is actually support. So I'm gonna make the screen a little bit bigger for you guys, and you guys can see. It seems like Chainlink definitely like $19 as a support as a support area, right? It broke resistance, came down to support, went back up, hit resistance again, and pulled back. Hit some type of resistance here around $22 and pulled back at support levels. Okay, so this is considered support for right now. This can change at any time, any moment, where this can come up like Chainlink experienced right now, which is currently going up, and this can come down and just break through this support, and then now we're in the downtrend trying to find another support level where Chainlink will hopefully find some support, then probably go up or continue to break down, right? So that's just kind of a background of how looking at charts work. So is it a great time to get in Chainlink right now? So as a swing trader, for me, is based on what I see, is definitely getting to the oversold, overbought territory, meaning that a lot of people then got into Chainlink, and Chainlink needs some type of pullback, right? So it can hopefully start to go back up again in value. So what I can do here is just wait on this and just watch Chainlink. I'm just drawing these lines here. See how we can play this. And now I'm looking at this channel. So this channel means that if Chainlink can maintain this channel where it, right, enter this channel here, and went up, down, up, hit this support as far as the channel, rallied up, support, resistance, came back down again and rally up again. So it's in this kind of a uptrend, ascending channel, which is good, right? This symbolizes Chainlink is in the upward momentum. Volume is definitely in Chainlink, and it's definitely going up right now. So as far as entry point, great entry point for Chainlink based on what I see right here, might be around the $19-20 range, and then if you get in, it might go back up, who knows, or it might come down, right? That's just how the markets work. It's just pretty much just placing your bet. So I just want to give an update on Chainlink. Definitely like Chainlink, definitely believe in the project behind Chainlink, what you're trying to do for these smart contracts is definitely valuable. And is Chainlink part of your holding? If so, let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. Just want to touch bases on Chainlink, because Chainlink did hit an all-time high today, and just want to let everybody be aware of that. And we do have some upward momentum. Will this continue? Who knows? But it's definitely a opportunity to look at for Chainlink, because who knows, Chainlink could be $50 to $80 to $100 in the next weeks or a couple days or months. You know, crypto is crazy, man. So markets are. Guys, have a great one.